So I want to take a closer look at the quick access toolbar within your Microsoft Excel application. Now I want to point out once again that this isn't something that's only for Excel. This is something you'll find inside of Word, PowerPoint, as well as Outlook. The quick access toolbar, which once again is in the top left corner of your screen, is where you'll find the common commands that you'll be working with as you develop documents within Excel. Now, Microsoft only gave you a handful. You've got save, undo, and redo. Now you can customize the quick access toolbar and save some of your own favorite common commands to that toolbar, giving you quick, easy access to those tools. Take a look. Now if I click on this little down arrow just to the right of the quick access toolbar, you'll find a handful of other common commands that Microsoft has provided for you. Now for me personally, something that I do a lot of is I print documents. Now normally inside of Excel, if you want to print something, here's the steps. Step number 1, you got to go to their File tab. There's step 1. Step 2, I got to go to Print. That's 2 steps so far, right? Step 3, I got to click the Print button. So 3 clicks later, I'm finally printing the document and I can go look for my printer. Now that may not seem like a lot, but I can take those 3 steps utilizing the quick access toolbar and knock it down to 1 step. Take a look. I'm going to hit the arrow to take me back to Excel. Now, I'm going to go to a little drop down arrow up here, and I'm going to choose Quick Print. So now, right there on my quick access toolbar, 1 button press, I can print my document. We've taken what would normally be 3 separate steps into 1 quick, easy, accessible button. 1 button press. Now Microsoft, in that little drop down, has supplied some of the more common features. I like Quick Print. I like New and Open. Save is great. It's already there by default. Spell Checker, that's a great one as well. 1 button press, quick, easy access to these commands. Now, I'm going to give you a tip here. And once again, this isn't something that's only for Excel. You open up Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, you can do the exact same thing there. Take a look. Now let's say, for example, on the Formula tab, I've got Auto Sum, something we're going to talk about much more in depth in a later lecture. The Auto Sum button is something I use just about every day and perhaps multiple times a day. In order for me to use it, I got to go to Formulas, I got to find Auto Sum. Okay? Once again, not a huge amount of steps, but let's simplify this. Any command that you find on a ribbon, on one of the tabs within there, if you right click on the command like the Auto Sum, your first option, add to quick access toolbar. So I select that, and now right there, quick easy access, I've got access to my Auto Sum button right there. Again, the quick access toolbar, hence its name, quick, easy, accessible, all your favorite commands, all your common commands right there at your fingertips. So try this out. Launch Excel. Customize that quick access toolbar. Give yourself a few commands up there. Maybe just copy mine if you're brand new to Excel. If you've been using Excel for a while, find some of those common commands that you work with and customize that quick access toolbar to give yourself quick, easy access to those commands. Try it out.